Hello guys, today we are going to review about this MECOOL KM9 Android TV box. As you know, many TV box come with different features, but this one comes with a voice remote control as well as the without voice remote control. The MECOOL KM9 is Google certified Android TV box. It comes with some outstanding features. One of the best is the voice remote control, and there are many other features which will I tell you, and I will tell you about the design, features and hardware. Before we start the review, let's unbox this first and see what we have inside the box. Here you can see it has the one MECOOL KM9 TV box. Let's see what we have more inside the box is. Okay, we have here the HDMI cable, charging adapter, and remote control and user manual, where you will learn how to use this TV box. Okay, so this is what we have inside the box. Okay, let's talk about the design. The design of MECOOL KM9 is Google certified TV Android TV box. It's quite different from other TV boxes in the market owing its 8.1 operation system. It comes with a conventional rectangular shape with round edges. Here you can see the round edges of this TV box. The TV box has a dimension of 10 by 10 by 1.75 centimeter and its weight only 150 gram. On the sides there are numerous interfaces such as high speed 3.0 USB. Here you can see the 3.0 USB and the card reader. The card reader port you can see in the TV box. It also has on the other side the numerous interface like Ethernet port, HDMI cable and the power AV, both ports. This product also comes with a remote control and it comes with a HDMI cable. Its humanized breathing light design makes this product alive. Different color indicate different work plates. On the downside here you can see it has the cooler where you can see the air will flow here, and this will not gives him the heating process. You can see the design of the remote control is also very beautiful. The blue colors showing the set TV in, volume up, volume down, both the forward and backward, internet button and mute button. It also has the up, down, left, right, all the buttons, plus it also has the mouse for using the mouse either. There are other also keys 1 2 3 like and also search button. The remote control is also lightweight, and behind this remote control it has written the instruction of these MECOOL TV box, how to use it. I think it's a beautiful design. On the top of the Android TV box is written Android TV and the brand name on the back plus the model This is really lightweight, or it's a very beautiful and tough design. Your finger will not touch on this. Oh, this look cool, man. Let's talk about these features of this KM9 Android TV box. If we talk about the hardware it comes with the Amalogic S905X2 CPU with a quad-core ARM Cortex A53 and the Mail G31 MP2 GPU. These CPUs is supported by 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which can be extended to the 32 GB or more. The implication of this hardware combination is that user will experience high performance and the video image quality is 10 times better than average TV box. This SoC is a low power consuming chip which delivers a seamless operation. You can either watch movies at high speed or download application you want to use. You don't have to worry about the RAM size or the storage size. You can store many applications and many videos, music, and you can watch them later. You can also, using the internet, you can use many games in this TV box. Here you can see I have connected the HDMI cable plus the power cable to give the output to the screen. Let's check out how it's runs and how it's giving performance. Here are some After all checking the design, the features and many more, I would say this Android TV box is really worthy to buy. This is a great TV box which comes under the best specifications, and the features as well as the design of this TV box is really cool. You can easily buy this TV box by link given below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.